Hello friends, welcome to my another video. And in this video I'm just share with you I am a villager. Can I make myself best? Can I make myself in English? So friends, in this video I'm just want to share with you how to make yourself in English, how to change your mindset in English, how to think in English. So friends, that's why I came here in my field. This is my field and there's some grasses and some plants. So friends, in this video I am just talk about what is the correct way to improve your self-based version, to make your mind to think in English. Okay, so friends, this is my house, behind me, and this is behind me a cow house, and cow house, and cow feeding store, okay, behind me. And this is a big tree, and this is a very big mango tree. So friend, this is not today's topic. Today topic is how to make yourself best version, how to make yourself in English, how to speak English. So friends, I am a villager. Can I speak English? This is the main topic. And someone is asking me, I am villager, I have no environment, because in village side no anyone can speak English, and in village side no anyone can help you to improve your our English. So friend, this is a big, big question, and this is a big problem to villager. For me, I am a villager, so I feel this situation, I use this situation, but I take a lot of efforts, I take a lot of time to improve my English, I take a lot of efforts. So after that I can speak English in front of this. And you have this question, how to become a fluent speaker in village side. So this video is going to be very helpful for you. And if you are new here, please like, please subscribe my channel, forget notification to my new videos. Okay, so friends, just take an example. Just take a example. This is a mango tree, that is a mango tree behind me. So this is mango tree, direct grow in a big tree, direct grow in a big tree, seed to big tree. This is possible? No, this is not possible. Okay, I would say this is a not possible. So why you think I become a fluent speaker in few months? Why you think I will become a fluent speaker in a just few days? This is possible? I would say this is not possible. And if you and this my personal experience, I have been learning English in 2 months, and I is spending my time 2 months according to learn English. But I would say I'm not become a fluent speaker. Friends, a lot of things I have to be learn. A lot of things I have to be learn. I just learn a few vocab. I just learn a few tenses, few models. So I want to learn so much things. I'm not a good. I am not a good. I'm a just, my started time. This is my started time. Okay. So, but I would say, if you become a fluent speaker, so you should need watch a lot of English content in your beginning days. I would say, my it's personal experience, my personal thoughts. If you want to speak English, so you need watch a lot of English content. And first of all, you should clear your tenses. If you not clear your tenses, then it's very difficult for you. So first of all, clear your tenses. Then you will try to translate some, a lot of sentences Hindi to English. But I don't suggest you only you should uh, translate. This is the wrong way to improve our English. So this is not, I don't suggest you. Okay. And if you are a only beginner, if you are just started to learn English, then you should translate, then just you achieve some knowledge to improve our English, to learn some vocab, then you should watch English content, listen English content, listen English movie, podcast, whatever, if you are interested. Okay, but don't translate anytime, every time. It's not good to become fluent speaker. I know, if you think grammar is most important to become a fluent speaker, grammar is most important to learn English, but this is a I know this is a good, but English speaking is not dependent only to grammar. It's not dependent. Okay, so friends, speak whatever comes in your mouth. If you're not about so much sentences, a large sentences, then you should try to started greeting, good morning, good night, good afternoon, then started I'm making food, I am doing clothes, I am go for a walk, I am plucking these are plants, I am feeding, I am feeding straw in my cow. Okay, in this way, but just speak in your mouth. You know, friends, this is a good way to improve your English. First of all, you should try to describe your things. You should try to describe your things, and not a large. No, in beginning day, it's not need to large. Small things. And just if you're doing making food, then started I am rolling out chapati, I am flip the chapati, I am making vegetable, I am fry the potatoes, I am cutting potatoes. This is way, short. If you're doing something other, then you should start speaking something others. I am sweep the floor, I am move the floor, I am making my bed, I am putting my sleeper, I am putting clothes. In this way, small sentence, but try to, friends, try to improve. Okay, and this tree is not grow seed to direct tree, a big tree. It's a take a lot of time. Then English is, why you will expect English is a cup of tea? It's not. English is a language, and it take a lot of time to improvement, to get improvement. English is take a lot of time to get improvement. So friends, don't think so much and don't take stress. I want to become a fluent speaker, but how I become a fluent speaker? Friends, this is not good. Okay, so friends, in this way you try to convey your message, and in this video I'm just try to convey my message, my thoughts for my viewers. Okay, so friends, it's evening time, and I have to prepare food, I have to make food, and I have to do something other work. So friends, this video is stop here. uh, I want to record myself longer, but my mother-in-law called me, where are you, come here, you prepare your food, you have to prepare food. So that's why I stopped this video here, and sorry for mistakes, if I mistakes in this video, so sorry for that mistakes. And so friends, try to improve yourself, try to watch, listen. Okay, and speak, most important, speak English every time what you are doing. Okay, so friends, in this way, if you try to speak English, so you will speak something new, you will speak something, uh, you become a fluent speaker in this way. But try, and if you are a villager, so don't think too much, don't think so much stress, because it's a life, it's a not a punishment. And if you think English is a punishment, English is a Angrejan language, so don't think. English is global language. if you go another side, another country, then they all people say only English, and you not and you couldn't say English, then how to convey your message in another country? So this is a problem. So that's why I learn English. English is not a punishment. English is language. Even English is a global language. So that's why I learn English. Okay, so don't take stress. English is a language. English is a good thing. English is most important for everyone, learner, student, housewife. This is my, and I want to speak English, so that I improve my English through YouTube channel, through making videos, through uploading videos, and through you know uh, watch English content, listen, reading. In this way I try to improve my English. I try to make video. Okay, so friends, it's evening time and sun is set, so that's fine. And if you like that video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. And if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. And friends, just last I would say, keep doing. Okay, if you make mistake while speaking, while reading, while writing, so don't think give up. Making mistake is part of learning. Every learner makes mistakes. When you start learning, when you start improve our subject, our language, our any kind of work, then they make a lot of mistakes. So don't think too much how I can speak English in village side, how I can improve English. And I would say, if you not have any partner, so this is my situation. I am alone in house in village. I don't know in village, but my nearest people's house I am alone, and there is no anyone can help me. So I just improve myself in YouTube, in another apps. I only depend YouTube, another apps. And I only I would say reading, writing, a lot of things. Okay, so don't think too much. Okay, village side is possible if you are a hard worker. If you're not hard worker, this is a very hard for you. So this is situation all villager. And friends, my face is red because it's sunset and sun is red. So for stop this video, and I'm going to make food. So till then, take care, have a nice day. We'll meet till the next video. So bye bye.